This is a Milwaukee 6-inch impact locking bit holder. It's a 6-inch extension for your impact driver or drill. Here it is on the drill itself. It is magnetized, and it automatically locks the bit in place. It's very similar to others that are out there. This is a Bosch one. This one does not lock the bit in place, but it is magnetized. And then DeWalt has one, or has a few versions as well. This is their the smaller one, and it automatically locks just like the Milwaukee one, and it is magnetized as well. The big difference between these two is the way the release mechanism on these locking bit holders. So the Milwaukee one, you have to go ahead and push forward and out, okay? So forward and out, whereas the DeWalt one, you have to pull back and out. I'm probably thinking, well, that's no big deal. You can manage that, and that's fine. But the reason why I selected this one over the DeWalt version is that when you are working on something and you need to change bits really fast, or you would like to change bits quickly, it's just one motion. One motion. You see, forward and out. So it's a quick way to do it, and with the DeWalt version, you have to go ahead and pull back and out, back and out, back and out, which not a big deal, right? But just, you know, for the simplicity's sake of it, I think it just makes it a lot better to go ahead and use this version rather than this one, where it's two separate motions, where this one can be, you could achieve the same result with one quick motion. Another point that I feel makes that valid is that the release mechanism on the driver itself is a forward or pull forward motion. So why not incorporate that on your bit holder as well? You see, so forward and out, forward and out. So one quick motion that we're already used to, especially if you're using an impact driver. So that's the big difference between these two, and it does come in a 12-inch version. Let me know what you think. The reasons why you like this one over DeWalt, or you like DeWalt over this one, or any others that are out there. I think Ryobi has some, and some other manufacturers have some too. So let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you then. Bye.